Hello again, folks, and welcome to Black Bear Outdoors. And today we're going to be talking rifles, and in particular budget-friendly rifles. So with all the craziness happening in the world right now, there are a lot of people who want to get into their first rifle or maybe get into an AR platform, but as luck would have it, the economy isn't great, and a lot of people don't have the expendable cash to buy themselves a Daniel Defense or a Knight's Armament or something like that, right? So a lot of the budget rifles are being put under the spotlight right now. So the one we chose today to see if it's actually a viable option is from Palmetto State Armory. Now, Palmetto State Armory doesn't need any introduction, but if you don't know who they are, they're an online manufacturer and retailer that sells directly to the public, so you have a bit of cost savings there. Now, obviously, a lot of people think that if something's price tag isn't big, it's got to be garbage, right? And that's not always the case. So today, what we've done is we took the Palmetto State Armory Stealth Lower with the mag pull kit on it, as well as their lightweight upper, and we paired those together for a rifle that came in under about 500 credits, right? Now, if you wait for their sales, I'm sure you're gonna find it for even less than that. Now, neither Palmetto State Armory or Magpul have any idea who we are, so we used our own hard-earned credits for it. So today we're going to see if it's actually a good option to spend your money on something budget. Will it work? Is it going to fail on you? Is it going to be accurate? All those kind of questions we're going to try and answer for you. So true to old form, we're going to take it inside into the table, see what you get for your 500 smackaroos, and then we're going to take it out to the range, run a few drills with it, shoot at different distances, put a few hundred rounds through it, and see what it does. Stay tuned. All right, folks, now that we got the rifle on the table, let's take a closer look. True to old form, we're going to go muzzle in and work our way backwards. So as you can see, it's got the standard A2 flash hider on there. Nothing wrong with those. They work really well. Lots of rifles I had before. The barrel is a pencil profile, and it is a 4150V chrome molly barrel. So it's going to be a pretty accurate rifle, pretty durable, and it also has a nitride finish on it to give it that black look and add to the little bit of durability. You're going to see the handguard has got all kinds of M-lock on it. It does not, however, have any rails at the top, but it does that little piece back here, but it's got some more M-lock over there for you, and it did come with the Magpul M-Bus backup sights pre-installed, right? So if we move over to the receiver here, you can see it's standard kind of AR controls. One cool thing about it, though, is apparently it comes with a Toolcraft BCG, and they apparently make a lot of the OEM bolt carrier groups for some of the really a lot of higher end rifles, if you will. Now, it also comes with this Magpul. This is actually part of the Stealth Lower. Came with the Magpul kit on it, so this is the MOE grip on it. And nice little touch is the little FDE piece here by the trigger guard as well. Now, it has the mil-spec, or their enhanced mil-spec trigger in there, which, dare I say it, is actually quite a bit smoother than the mil-spec I got with my SIG rifle. Obviously you have the rear sight there that came with the upper as well, and yeah, the only thing we really did to it was add the Romeo 5 little red dot optic there, and we changed out the mil-spec charging handle to this Radian Raptor. Guys, I can't sing these things praises enough. They're absolutely fantastic charging handles, and in my opinion a must-have for any AR. And then of course you have your Magpul stock here. So going back to the fore end, it does have a mid-length gas system with a low profile gas block in there as well. So it should run fine with most things. And it's got a 1-in-7 twist. So pretty standard setup for an AR. And yeah, guys, it looks like it was put together well. I don't see any issues or anything like that. So let's get to the fun part, and we'll take it outside, head out to the range, and we'll shoot it some, see if it works. So stay tuned. So there you have it, folks. The rifle actually ran really well. Full disclosure, when we first took it out of the box, it was single shot for the first couple of mags. Now I'm guessing there was some piece of debris or something stuck in the gas tube, and once it burned that out, it ran like an absolute sewing machine. So absolutely no problems with the rifle so far, and it's actually a really nice smooth shooter, to be honest. So honestly can't complain about that. Now I've seen a whole bunch of videos on YouTube, for example, where they would burn these rifles down and they would die in 700 rounds or whatever. But you have to remember, these rifles are made to be semi-automatic. Now a lot of these guys who do the tests, they have licenses, or it's legal for them to own a full auto lower, and they start belting rounds or after round through this rifle until it fails. So here's a little secret for you. Heat is what kills the barrel, not round count. So if you put any AR that was made to be a semi-automatic on a full auto lower, it's going to last about 700 to 1,000 rounds before it's going to fail at the gas tube, or the barrel is going to start wearing out. But that's all due to heat. They're not made to be full auto rifles. So that all being said, guys, I think if your budget is 500 bucks, I mean, always going to buy the best thing you can. But if your budget is 500 bucks, I cannot see a problem with you picking up a PSA rifle and training with it and get good with it. It will get the job done. So hopefully this video was a little bit entertaining, a little bit educational as well, perhaps. And if you guys feel like we deserved it, give us a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment for us. It always helps with the algorithm for us and anybody else who makes 2A content. It shows the algorithm that that's stuff you want to see. If you'd like, you can also hit that super thanks button. And you all stay safe, and we'll see you next time.